Hey guys, right now Viltrox is having a 20% sale off of everything on their website. So if you guys are interested in any lenses or anything else, definitely check out the links that are going to be in the description area below to see what deals you can get. Not only is everything 20% off, but you can actually use my special discount code of FJH, or depending on another lens, it might be a different code, but you can actually use that code to get extra savings. I highly recommend the Viltrox 85 1.4 Pro lens that came out for Sony full frame cameras. It's actually the lens that you're seeing me use in the behind the scenes video that you're seeing on the screen. And if you guys are interested in seeing a full review on that, that's actually on my channel. It's the latest video that I made prior to this one. I also have some other reviews on Viltrox lenses, like the 75 1.2, which is for crop sensor cameras, the 35 1.2 for Sony E-mount, which is actually my favorite lens right now, and also the 25 1.7 Air Series lens, which is an awesome portable lens. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I wanted to let you guys know about these different sales going on so you can save some money and get some awesome lenses. Again, I highly recommend the Viltrox 35 1.2 as well as the 85 1.4. Right now, those are two lenses I'm really loving. If you guys need any help on deciding which lens you want to get, then let me know in the comments below and I'll reply as soon as possible. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the very next video.